breast cancer, ito yung isa sa pinaka-common na cancer here in the Philippines. Base naman sa pag-aaral ng Department of Health and also the Philippine Statistics Authority, sabi nila, out of 100 Filipina women here in the Philippines, ay 3 ang magkakaroon ng breast cancer. Out of 197 countries in the world, ang Philippines po ang nagtala ng highest percentage in terms of breast cancer patients noong 2017. So why am I sharing this information? First of all, I want you to have that mindset that prevention is key. And also, this is also the best time for you to prepare for something that could happen in the future, but also help you be protected in case this illness happens. By the way, my name is Joseph, and like you, I have family, friends, and also loved ones who have suffered, who have been diagnosed, or live with breast cancer. Totoo lang po, hindi po ito madali. No, napakahirap po magkaroon ng isang critical illness tulad ng breast cancer. Nakaka-stress at also magastos din po ito. Lalong-lalo na kung hindi po tayo nakapaghanda ng tama. And that's why I'm sharing this information for you to be aware and help you also get started to be protected at this early stage. Okay, prevention muna. Simulan natin. So, prevention, usually, we can look back on the family history. Sino nga ba ang nagkaroon ng breast cancer within the family? Our mother, our grandmother. And we have to consult experts early on. Let's get doctor's opinion right away. Pa-check up na tayo. Second stage naman is we prepare. How do we prepare is by living a healthy lifestyle. Yung pagkain natin, how we have work-life balance, and avoid stressful occasions. And second is, pag-aralan natin, magkano nga ba yung mga possibly nagagastos when it comes to this kind of illness or treatment na kailangan natin. So based naman sa actual study from UP, ito pala yung mga cost of treatment when it comes to breast cancer. Diagnostic pa lang, breast MRI, breast panel, CT scan, ay nag-range siya sa 8,000 to 9,000 pesos per procedure. E pagdating naman sa surgery, nag-iba-iba yung presyo na to. Depende kung public hospital ba or private hospital ang gagamitin natin. E sa chemotherapy naman po, nag-range to sa 600 pesos to 3,000 pesos per set. And that's bring us to the last stage, no? Protection. How do we protect ourselves from the financial burden or the worries nga, yung gastos pagdating sa pagpapagaling, pagpapagamot sa breast cancer. Maaari po ito kung meron po tayong PhilHealth, pwede po natin yang gamitin. Kung meron po tayong mga medical benefits from our company, employment. And also, pwede rin po tayong kumuha ng mga life insurance that has critical illness protection to help us be prepared for this kind of illness. And that's also where I can help you. I'm also a financial advisor, a life insurance agent with AIA Philippines. We're the #1 life insurance company here. And with AIA, you can get a plan that comes with a critical illness protection. This is what we call ACP 100. You're covered po till the age of 100. And it also comes with AIA Vitality Program. Explain ko po yan dito sa video na to. So if you're interested, please stay till the end and watch the video to learn more or in detail about the benefits and coverages na makukuha nyo with ACP 100. And definitely, you'll find it very helpful and very useful at pasok na pasok when it comes to your budget. Please allow me to explain AIA Critical Protect 100 to you. Sa AIA Critical Protect 100, this is what you get. Till the age of 100, covered po tayo. And we're also covered from 100 different types of critical illnesses. And especially, you get coverage from breast cancer. Ito po yung pinag-uusapan sa video na ito. So what happens when you reach the age of 100, you're healthy, wala po kayong kinuwang claims? It's what we call the maturity benefit. So everything will be given to you in lump sum as a reward. But what happens naman on the other side? If something happens to you, so there's also a life insurance coverage here. So everything will be given to your beneficiaries, yung mga proceeds po. But in case, in event that you're diagnosed for a critical illness, tulad na po ng breast cancer, you get all the benefit also upon diagnosis. So, yan po yung tinatawag na critical illness coverage. And with a gender-specific rider benefit, since breast cancer po ang naging diagnosis, will give you an additional 50% of your coverage. So, for example, you got a 1 million coverage, 50% of that is 500,000. So, ang total po na mabibigay sa inyo is 1,500,000. Okay? On top of that is we also have what we call the recovery benefit. So once na-diagnose po kayo ng major critical illness, after a year, within the next 5 years, you get a recovery benefit. May spread out po yung 10% of 1 million, which is 100,000. This is to help you recover and focus on getting better. So this plan also comes with AIA Vitality. With AIA Vitality naman po, the purpose is, the aim is to get you healthy and live a healthy lifestyle. The first year pa lang, AIA will give you an additional of 20% more of your coverage. So if you got a 1 million coverage, 20% of that is 200,000, meaning you get a total of 1.2 million on your first year pa lang because of AIA Vitality. But that also can go all the way up to 50%. Just by walking, doing the exercises, and tracking your activities with the AIA Vitality app, your 1 million coverage can go all the way up to 50% or 1.5 million if we receive or reach the status of gold status. Para po to help you get active, get healthier, and also enjoy the rewards of AIA Vitality. So if you're interested, you want to learn more about AIA Critical Protect 100, I can help you customize a proposal for you. All you need to do is give me your details, your first name, your last name, your mobile number, your email, birth of date, and also your occupation. And I'll be happy to help you get started. If you're this serious, please message me right now. I'll be waiting for your inquiries. I'll be happy to help you and get you started in preventing and preparing and protecting yourself from breast cancer.